Hey everyone, welcome back to Technology Trends. Today we're diving into the Unihertz Titan 2, the bold smartphone bringing BlackBerry-style QWERTY back to life. If you love niche tech and unique devices, hit subscribe and ring the bell. QWERTY keyboard phone returns with Android 15, 5G, dual screens, and a 50 megapixels camera. Meet the Titan 2. What's in the box? Titan 2 handset, USB-C cable, power adapter, TPU case, and yes, the signature backlit QWERTY keyboard is right here, tactile and ready to type. This is a modern passport-inspired phone, slimmer and lighter than its predecessor at just 10.85mm thick and 235 grams. It's bold, boxy, but surprisingly sleek for a physical keyboard device. Plus, it rocks a 4.5-inch 1440x1440 LCD and a 2-inch rear display for widgets and selfies. Inside you'll find a Dimensity 7300 processor, 12GB RAM plus 512GB storage, Android 15, and full 5G support. Cameras include a 50 megapixels main, 8 megapixels telephoto, and 32 megapixels selfie cam, great for work snaps. Battery capacity is 5050 mAh with 33W fast charging, but no wireless charging here. Retail price is pegged at around $399, with early backers getting it for $269 on Kickstarter. Shipping begins October 2025. Would you type on this QWERTY throwback? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this first look, smash that like, subscribe for more retro tech reviews, and stay tuned for our full hands-on deep dive.